Welcome everyone to event number 14 of season 6, the balance push. You know how balance push works? So you push your teammates down this balance beam and the team that gets the versus will win. The galaxies will be Nova and Telescope for the first ever time. And they spill off to the left. You only get 2 pushes. And that was decently far. The galaxies will go to the front spot right now. Disco balls. Don't know what that was. So everyone know. But that was abysmal. The red peppers now. Same thing. The galaxies are just having a one on their own right now. Yeah, I think red peppers just forgotten that this was a position event, not speed. Save your orders now. Oh, that will definitely be second. They just need to time their teammates right. And it's not going to happen. But second place is good enough. So Galaxies will lead the way after 4 ones. Let's see if they can keep it. Waterfalls now. Ooh. Not good. Spear to the left. Oh, Waterfalls did not know what they were doing. 4th place out of 5 teams. It's now the Rangers. Good to go. And all the teams are spinning their teammates to the left. That is not a good tactic. 4th. And there will be 4th place right now. It's Thunderbolter. And that's going to be at least 4th. That's 5th. Actually. Look at this. Oh, look at this. With the Thunderbolts. And they are in the lead. Zebras. Bit of a decline in late. You'll love to do well. Oh, look at this. Oh, they barely took the lead. And now the Galaxies forward to 3rd. Now we've got the top contenders with Team AM now first. That's 5th. And that's where they're going to finish, 5th. That's just in front of the Red Peppers, who are so far in 6th place. Golden Gems now. You saw how they were in climbing. So far, 8th. And that's where they're going to finish. That's their last. Not good for the Golden Gems. As now, the Honeybees. So where can they go? And oh, that's 3rd. And the Galaxies are off the podium. And Honeybees will go to the bronze medal spot right now. The Galaxies they're not complaining with a 4th place finish. That will help the Stargazers a lot, that's for sure. Hawaii only can manage 9th right now. Oh, they will move up to 7th. Snowballs. Instantly 11th. They need a medal. But it's not going to happen. They will stay 11th, which is just in front of the Golden Gems. It's now Scorchers. Ooh, Scorchers. Ah, the second last. Not good. 2 runners left. Misty misses her first. 10th. They need a good result sometime, and it's not going to happen. 10th place, not good. And now the Ketchups can stretch their lead again. But so far, it's only 13th. They need one more one. And they're not going to do it. They're not going to do it. which means your gold medal winner for event number 14 are the Zebras. They win the gold from head of the Thunderbolts and the Honeybees, who just took it from the Galaxies. But the Galaxies will take a 4th place as well. They need that. See everyone there? What a great event. And we'll see you for event number 15, the Marathon. Let's see how that will go. And then we'll go ahead to the final event, the Bath Race. We'll see you for that.